Hello friends, welcome back to Kannada Tech Tips. Today in this video I am showing that how to increase your internet speed in your phone. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And now let's see the video. Now let's see the video how it works. First of all, you want to install an app from Play Store. This is the application and the app link is below the description box. And let's see how it works. First of all, open this application. And first the interface will be like this. And click get started. And this app says what are the facilities of it and features of this app, and after reading this, click done, and they shows their privacy policies like this, and after reading this, click accept, and there will be like this disconnected like a button. Swipe it to connected, and they will ask install a VPN profile in your phone application. Install it, and they will ask that connection request like this, and click OK. And after this, we can use their YouTube and other Facebook like other social medias without a buffering. So now let's check the benefit of this application. Now we are going to YouTube, and I'm clicking, and look, the video is playing most better than before, and the advertisement and such as there is no buffering time or any lag in this application. Now check another video. There is no lag and this app is perfectly working. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.